Okay, adding a post to a blog in WordPress is pretty easy. All you do is you log into the back end of the site. It should look something like this, and if you click on posts, so we'll click on posts. What it does is it shows you all the recent posts, and then you hit add new. So you're going to add a new post, and it'll pop up here in a second. You simply put the title of the post. So title, I'll be able to do that here in a second, of new post, and then you type in the text that you want. It works very much like Microsoft Word or any of the just visual editors. One of the things that people get worried about is they think, gosh, you know, they're scared to publish it. Well, realize that you can add anything in here that you want. So if you want to add an image, you simply add an image, and you can pull up an image from anywhere in your computer, and you just select the file. And you know, I don't have an image set here to do, but let's just go to the desktop and find an image. You know, this is we could just pick this image, and you'll see that it's just a little graphic image that I was using to work with the real estate groups, one of the sites that we were working on. And you can just insert it into the post. And one of the things that you need to keep in mind is you can move the alignment around. You can either make it go left or center or right, and the text will wrap around it the correct way. And you can also change the size of it. Now in this case it's a really small image, so it only has full size. But let's say we had a really large image. It has 800 by 600, and then it would have one that's large but a little bit smaller, and then a medium image, and then it would have a thumbnail image size here. And you could choose which size you want to insert into your post. You also, in some WordPress themes, can use this as a featured image. And when you do, then when you're done doing that, you select, first you would insert it into the post, and then you would hit, and it would insert it right there, and then you could type some more text here. Alright, so it's really simple to add different things in. You can add the post to a specific category. So in this case, on this blog of mine, I have a blog watch category, franchise watch. It's all about real estate, so we have a National Association of Realtors watch as well. So there's lots of ways to add in. Choose which category you want it to, and typically you really want to use categories. They're a really good way to let the reader find out what, look for more posts on the same subject. I have some other stuff added in here, but some other little goodies. But for the most part, it really is that simple. You can make text bold simply by highlighting it and clicking bold. It works very much just like like you would in Word. You can make a bulleted list, an unordered list, or a ordered list. You can use block quotes. You can move the text, either justify it to the left or align it center, and it'll move it to the center, or you can move it to the right, and that'll pop over there. Now we're going to move it back to the left here. You can insert a hyperlink to anything that you want. So anything is really possible here, and it works out really well.